Hello and welcome to NR Studio. So today I will show you how to do a screen pump in After Effects. So our composition is ready. We have video clip and audio clip. First we will find our beat on the music file, which is actually right up here. We will place marker on the audio clip by pressing steric on numpad. Now new adjustment layer and rename it to screen pump, so we know what we are doing. Then find transform effect from the presets and clip it on the adjustment layer. From the properties, we will increase the scale to 300 and click on the scale icon so we get the keyframe. In the timeline, we will move backward about 10 frames and bring down the scale to 100. Again, in the timeline, we will move 10 frames forward and bring down the scale to 100 again. On the adjustment layer, we will press U to see our keyframes. Let's see how it goes. So you see, the video clip has a pump right up here, but it kind of slow, not much powerful. So to make it much better, we will select all the keyframes and make them easy ease by pressing F9. And we will go into the graph editor and we'll adjust the curve. We will bring down both the angles like this and a bit closer from both sides. Okay, now let's see how it goes now. You see, the screen pump basically here, but it is much more powerful than before. It has more impact on the video, especially on the beat.
And now they all love it. Look at me go. Ayy, can't even go out in public. No, and now they all love it. Look at me go. Ayy, can't even go out in public. No, and now they all love it. Look at me go. Ayy, can't even go out in public. No, and now they all love it. Look at me go. Ayy.
So this is all from this tutorial. If you have any query about this tutorial, please let me know in the comment box. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you very much.